Assalamualaikum all viewers and dear students. Today we are going to learn about the how to find hyperbola, center, equation, vertices, FOCI, latusrectum and eccentricity. We are going to learn this topic. So equation is given 4x square minus 25y square plus 8x plus 100y minus 4 is equal to 0. We C value is here negative, show that this is hyperbola is transverse axis. So transverse axis, so first of all we are finding center. So if we are finding center if we are finding, so the center will be HK. So how we calculate? So differentiating with respect to x all the equation, and with respect to x, so the other values y and constant value, treating as a constant value, consider it is constant. So the derivative of constant is equal to 0. Now if we are differentiate with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, so here we get 8x, this will be 0, and plus 8 plus this will be 0 and this is also 0 is equal to 0. So we get here 8x plus 8 is equal to 0. 8x is equal to minus 8 and dividing both sides by 8. So the result is equal to minus 1. So one values we get here, that is the value of x and y. So now if we are differentiating, again we are differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to here y. So treating as x value as constant, x as constant. So this will be 0 and minus 50y, this a plus 8x is equal to 0 because this is constant consider, and plus 100y derivative is equal to 1 and constant derivative is also 0. The result is constant 0 derivative is also 0. Now we get here minus 50y plus 100 is equal to 0. We change this result here, minus 50y is equal to minus 100. Dividing both sides by minus 50, so we will get here minus 100 divided by minus 50, both are cancelled, so we get here 2. So y is equal to 2. So the center we have find this one, center h and k, this is the value of x and y. So center is equal to x is equal to minus 1 and 2. So that show that the hyperbola is along x-axis. So here we are finding equation is x minus h whole square, and here we are taking the coefficient of y square, minus, and here y minus k whole square is equal to coefficient of x square, that will be equal to 1. Now here x minus h we have already found minus 1 whole square divided by coefficient of y square is 25, and negative sign ignore that one, minus y minus k we have already found, so that is 2 square divided by coefficient of x square is 4, that is equal to 1. So this is called hyperbola equation along x-axis, because 25 a square is here, a square is equal to 25 and b square is equal to 4. If we are finding c here, a square plus b square under root, so that will be 25 plus 4, we will get here 29 under root. What is the parabola, hyperbola is along x-axis, so we are finding here the vertices generally we are the formula along, if the parabola is along x-axis, so we are write this one. But here is shifts are used, h and k, we are put here s, h plus minus a and k. Now here we are substitute the value of a and the value of here a and k. So we h, what is the value of h? We have find already minus 1 plus minus we have already found equation is a square. We get here a square is 25, and what is the value of a is equal to 5, and k is equal to and k is equal to 2, and k is equal to 2. So first of all, we add this result -1 plus 5, -1 plus 5, 2. We get 2 vertices, and the second one is -1 minus 5, 2. So the result will be equal to here 4 and 2, and the second v2 is equal to -6 and 2. This is called vertices. We know that FOCI general form plus minus a and 0, but here FOCI is along h plus minus a and k. The same result here we are putting here, h is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, and plus minus a is equal to 5, and k is equal to here k is equal to 2. So the first time we add this result, so the first time if we are FOCI is equal to plus minus AE. FOCI is AE. Means that here the value of here we can put here AE is equal to C. C is equal to 29 under root. That is equal to AE. Here H plus C we can write also this one. H we have find -1, and C we find 29 under root, plus minus, and K is equal to 2. First time we write in F2 form -1 plus 29 under root and 2, and second F2 -1 minus 29 under root and 2. These are the FOCI. Now fifth, the latusrectum we are finding. What is latusrectum? Know that the latusrectum 2b square divided by a. So in the form of along x-axis, because here c is negative, so the hyperbola is along x-axis. So along x-axis the latusrectum formula is 2b square divided by a. Here 2b square b square we have here 4, and a is equal to 5. So that will be equal to 8 over 5. Eccentricity is required. Eccentricity, the sixth form, eccentricity. Eccentricity, as we know that E is equal to C divided by A. So eccentricity, we have the formula also A square. This formula is also equal to A square, B square, and E square minus 1. We can also use this formula. So, but here this formula is very easy. E is equal to C. C is equal to 29 under root, and divided by A is equal to 5. Thanks once again for watching. Subscribe my channel, and step by step we are going. Thanks once again for watching.